Introducing the expandable family home. This is a fantastic ready-made two-story house designed for a family that needs space, convenience, and a little bit of luxury without the complicated build. It's called the expandable family home because it starts off compact and then effortlessly expands to offer plenty of living space, roughly 40 feet by 20 feet when fully opened. The best part? It arrives in a manageable package with external dimensions of 228 inches long, 108 inches wide, and 86 inches high. A complete and thoughtful layout inside, this home has been thoughtfully laid out to be immediately livable. It features 2 comfortable bedrooms, a generous living room, a fully outfitted kitchen area, and a single divided bathroom. The bathroom is particularly well equipped for modern living, designed with separate wet and dry areas. It comes complete with cabinets, a water heater, a toilet, a sink, a mirror, and its own private shower space. The kitchen is also ready to go, including essential cabinets, taps, a sink, and pre-installed hot and cold water pipelines. Built for strength and comfort. The house isn't just about a smart layout, it's built to last and keep the occupants comfortable. The main structure uses a strong steel frame made of sturdy square tubes, ensuring its stability. For excellent insulation, the exterior walls and roof are covered in flame-retardant foam panels, offering great thermal insulation and soundproofing. This is paired with high-quality double-glazed PVC sliding windows and security doors made of broken bridge aluminum, letting in abundant natural light while keeping the home secure. The entire electrical and plumbing system is prefabricated to US standards, meaning it's wired and plumbed, ready for connection. Exceptional safety and customization. Safety is a huge priority for this home. It's built to be tough against the elements: wind, earthquake, fire, and water resistant. Specifically, it's fire-rated Class A, can withstand winds up to level 11, and is seismic resistant up to a level 9 earthquake. It's even typhoon resistant. The home is highly customizable. While the standard model features 2 bedrooms, it can be ordered with different configurations, such as a 1-bedroom, 1 living room, 1 bathroom setup, a 3-bedroom, 1 living room, 1 bathroom setup, or a 4-bedroom, 1 bathroom layout. The owner can also customize the color and the exterior design to truly make it their own. Simple installation and versatility. One of the greatest advantages is the installation. The expandable house is designed to be set up easily, significantly saving on both labor and material costs compared to traditional construction. It's perfect for almost any location, from a city backyard to a remote property, and is suitable for either a temporary shelter or a long-term family residence. Just remember the only maintenance note: when the snow gets heavy, the occupant should regularly remove the accumulation, making sure it doesn't pile up more than 6.6 feet high. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.